Well, right now, firework crews, they are here in Las Vegas. They are getting us ready to celebrate the new year.
That's right. We're excited. Fireworks by Grucci started the preparation on 7 properties throughout the Strip, and our crews got a sneak peek of this upcoming celebration. 13 Action News reporter Sasha Gomez was front and center of where those fireworks will be coming from.
Monday night will be a night to remember here in Las Vegas. Fireworks by Grucci will be bringing an 8-minute performance right here in the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas. More than 7 hotels and resorts on the Las Vegas Strip is coming together to make sure this New Year's Eve is one to remember.
There's no better place, in my opinion, to be on New Year's Eve. It's Party Central and America's party, so it really is exciting to see all the revelers on the Strip just watching our performance. So it's exciting.
More than 60 crews are working around the clock, resulting in more than 80,000 fireworks. They will light up the night sky about 300 feet high.
Have a fantastic time. Get out, enjoy, and forget the stresses of life, and come out and onto the Vegas Strip and enjoy the fireworks and the new midnight moment, Vegas night style.
But more importantly, officials here in Las Vegas want you to be safe. Sasha Gomez, 13 Action News.